Welcome back to the Frugal Gardener's Garden. You know, I've done hundreds of videos and I'm always telling you guys about ways to save money. So this is kind of unusual for me because today I'm going to show you something that actually cost me money. In fact, you're looking at it. Over the last 4 summers, I have expanded my garden, and over the last 4 summers, I've actually gotten older. Shocker. So, this bending over constantly is for the birds. So I finally decided to break down and get some help. This is my back saver. This is something that I researched for a long time. I wanted something that was economical but actually functional, and this is going to do the trick. This will hold several hundred pounds. Comes with a little sink. Let me get this out of the way. A little sink here, and put this over this like so, and this is heavy duty plastic so I can easily wash things off. Here's the top shelf for me to be able to easily reach tools or things that that I need while I'm potting or transferring or whatever it is I'm doing. And ta-da! It has a drawer for my storage, and it's not too big, so I don't have to worry about it being in the way. This is great. As I said, it's going to save my back. It's going to save me a lot of time, and I think it's worth it. I paid I think it was about $100, a little bit over $100. I'll put a link in the bottom. I'm not really here to sell you guys anything, but if you have a bad back, if you are a senior, if you want to save time, it may be worth investing in something like this to make your gardening easier. So this is I don't know if you want to call it my unveiling. It's still winter time. It's still winter in my garden, so it would be about another month before I really start using this on a regular basis. As you can see, I had it covered up, and I'm going to cover it back up as soon as this video is over. But I'm happy to have it. Just wanted you guys to see it and consider maybe putting something like this in your garden. If I was handy, I would have built one of these for myself, but I'm not, so I didn't. This is the Frugal Gardener. Thanks for spending part of your day with me. I'll catch you in the next video. Have a great day.